All right, this is week 5, day 2, and we have the inside living things, and we're talking about different kinds of functions in the body and different parts. And this one is about tissues. So you see a picture of the bone and a cow, and it says that there's bone marrow inside. And actually, this is a big thing right now because some people are needing bone marrow transplants, and they're looking at people to donate bone marrow, because some of the bone marrow transplants would be for things like cancer or other extreme illnesses that cause death or can cause death. Here we go. Tissues. Cells that are alike form tissues to do a specific job. For example, animals use muscle tissue to move arms and legs. This tissue is made of muscle cells. Bone, skin, and blood are other kinds of tissues. Let's take a closer look at some of the tissues in your body. Bone tissue makes bones. Some bone tissue has the mineral calcium. Calcium makes bones hard. This type of bone protects softer parts of the body. For example, your rib cage is made of a hard bone, and it protects your heart and other organs. Anybody know how many bones there are in the body? If you can message me how many bones there are in the body on our computer or through email, in the average human body, let's say it that way, you will get a treat on in your box on Wednesday. For example, your rib cage is made of a hard bone and protects your heart and other organs. Marrow is a different type of bone tissue. It is found inside larger bones, and this tissue makes blood cells. Your tissues are always working to keep you alive. Muscle tissue in your heart, always pumping blood tissue through your body. Bubba, those are like a bazillion bees there. Blood tissue carries nourishment to cells. It also carries waste from cells. The muscle cells in the muscle tissue tighten and then relax to move different parts of your body. That is a lot of information in a very short paragraph. This is like really big ideas, just so you know. That's like something, this is a class in college, this is a class in college, this is a class in college, and this is a class. And all of those have textbooks. That's like a crazy amount of information. For example, reading these words uses many different types of tissue. Muscle tissue is moving your eyes back and forth across the page. At the same time, nerve tissue is carrying messages from cell to cell. The messages tell your eye muscles to move, or other messages are carried back to your brain. Your brain is a mass of nerve tissues, some of you. It figures out how the words you see and gives them meaning as you read. Your muscle tissue and nerve tissue are working together to help you read these words. Wow. All I have to say is I need to assign this reading. It's exhausting reading about how your brain works for reading. The muscle cells in this dog's eye contract and then relax to move the eye back and forth. That's disgusting. Ugh, it gives me the chills. I am not going to have a problem coming up with facts here. I'm underlining like way more than I need to. Organs. Different types of tissue working together to do a particular job form an organ. Eyes are organs, so are lungs, brains, bones, skin, and the heart. The table below shows various frog organs and the special functions they perform. A heart pumps the blood to tissue. Why? Why would they just not do a human? I mean, they're just drawings. I don't understand. Why would they put parts for a frog? Or do frog and then a person so you can go, oh yeah, look, they have the same parts, or they don't. I don't know. People are opposed. The table below shows various frog organs and their special functions they perform. A heart pumps blood, lungs oxygen in the blood, brain runs all the body activities, stomach breaks down food, small intestine absorbs the nutrients, kidneys stores waste from body, and liver cleans the waste from the blood. Plant organs. Both plants and animals have organs. Plant organs include the flower, stamen, leaves, and roots. What do you know about each organ's purpose? Well, I will tell you this much. I have a very general understanding of both, and that's crazy. Too much information, my brain's gonna explode. Body systems. When several organs work together in an animal, they form a body system. This is where all the work is done by cells, tissues, and the organs come together to keep the organism alive. Every animal has body systems. The chart on the next page shows 10 systems found in frogs and many other animals. These systems are also found in humans. Notice how each system has a special purpose. For instance, the job of the digestive system is to break down the food the frog eats. Then the frog's cells can make energy from the bits of food. The immune system's job is to fight off bacteria and other organisms that could make the body sick. And that's it. So I guess we're learning more the next. All right. Last reading here in a minute.